Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the fourth question in exercise 7.2. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. So let's mark these points with some names so that it is easy for us to refer. So I'm marking these 3 points. The first is going to be point A, which is minus 3, 10. The other point is going to be B, which is marked plus 6, minus 8. I'm marking the third point P with the coordinate as minus 1, 6. I don't know in what ratio it divides, so I'm marking the ratio as K is to 1. According to the section formula, so what is the value of your formula? This is going to be mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So you can write the section formula once. So with this formula in mind, so we can say that k into 6 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by k plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Similarly, k into minus 8 plus 1 into 10 divided by k plus 1 should be equal to 6. You can use either one of these formulas to find out what is the value of k. So I'm opting for the first one. 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 is minus 1. So which implies 6k minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into k plus 1. So 6k minus 3 is minus k minus 1. I'm bringing all the k's together. So 6k plus k is equal to minus 1 plus 3. So 7k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore, the ratio is going to be equal to 2 is to 7. So P, the point, minus 1, 6 divides these 2 points in the ratio 2 is to 7. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fifth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.